What's happening? Dustin here with Life in a Mustang, and today still haven't got my parts in, so that's an update. I'm waiting on new exhaust, which isn't going to get installed until the motor's built, but I wanted to go ahead and get it because I knew it would take a long process for them to get it on their jig and build it. You'll see what I'm talking about eventually, but yeah, we're going turbo, so that's what that's about. Anyways, the car, I recently got a promotion. I don't know what you would call it. I got transferred and now I'm on the Marine Division for my construction job, landfill job, whatever. And I was on a construction site with my car and I ripped my exhaust off, or one of the hangers broke. So I'm going to go into the car and fix that. I am waiting on the BMR suspension to come in. That's been a long process. Still waiting on that. So let's just jump under this car and get started to fix it so I can drive to work tomorrow. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing welded up. The exhaust is falling. I've hit a bump, a pothole, a speed bump. The exhaust fell. We're going to jack the car up. I'm going to put it on blocks. That way it's nice and safe. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that jack to jack up on those mufflers. And then my existing exhaust hangers are still there. So I'm going to reuse those. I'm not even going to grind them, scuff them up. I'm just going to weld the thing in because hopefully by the end of this year that exhaust's out of here and it's no longer relevant for this car. So we're going to go ahead and just tack weld that thing right back in there. Like I said, jack the mufflers up to the hangers, hold the hangers over it, give it a little tack, and then finish welding it up. I am using a flux core. I don't have any gas. So it does look like crap. It's got the splatter from being flux core, but nobody's gonna see that. It's not a show car, and it probably never will be, but it will look nice eventually. I'll repaint it and stuff farther down the line. First, I'm more worried about performance. But anyways, let's weld that up. Okay, so we're under the car, and you can see right there that exhaust hanger broke off. And then if we move to that side of the car, that exhaust hanger broke off. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the other side. All I'm doing is using the jack to lift the exhaust up to the hangers and then welding them. That's it. Alright y'all, this has been Life in a Mustang. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I was only fixing the exhaust to get it going because I ripped it off on a thing. So if you ever want to know, just jack up on that thing, get it back to the hangers, and weld her back in. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to ring that bell, and I'll see you later. Peace.